Hi everyone, I want to talk to you today about the cold knife. This cold knife has two serrated sides and a wooden handle. The important thing on the wooden handle is when you get honey on your hands when you're extracting, this will allow you to have a better grip. The serrated sides are pretty sharp, and what you will do is you'll just guide it down through on the sides of the top bar and the bottom bar, and that will be your guide for cutting off the comb cappings as you go through that. Now, one of the important things that you'll want to have is some boiling hot water to the side so that you can dip it and keep it hot. So when you go to do your uncappings, it will go through really easy. If you have it as a true cold knife, it will be fairly hard to get the cappings off. So you will use that like a sawing motion going down through. That is your cold knife.